On we go. Shall we go the path or shall we go the fun way? Path or fun way? Come on then. So this isn't really a video. Oh, that's a good start to a video. So this isn't really a proper video. This is more of a check-in, just to show that I'm still around, still alive. It's been a while, and I've realized that if I want to grow my channel, I've actually got to make videos, you know. Would have guessed. So I'm out with Lola this morning. We're just doing one of our favourite little routes. It's about as scrambly as it gets without going into the quarries, but then that's all loose rock and a bit dodgy, really. There's a line of rock which just goes straight up. It's hard going actually when you're straight from the car at sunrise. Alright, girl. Been rolling in crap? Yes. Good. Bit of a test as well, this video. Just got a wind muff for this GoPro, and I'm just wondering what it's like, whether it actually works. It doesn't look like it will do anything. We're just getting out of the sheep area now, which is good. I don't like her doing that because they are electric and it puts her off coming back. If Lola wasn't with me, I'd find a little route up. There's loads of ways, but she follows. So I try to find a bit where I have a bit of fun and she can also do without falling. Yeah. Who cares? That light kicking off behind. But I don't know why I'm looking at the camera. I've got no screen. I'm just... whatever. She is after rabbits, but she's rubbish. You get any? No? You just rolling some crap? Yes. Good. Let's go. It's not quite so fun, but there's a little gap in the rock. Good for a spaniel. Bad for me. Shots were terrible. Nothing's really going on, to be honest. Bit of light, but not really. Don't know what that's showing you. Is this muff working? Why do I keep saying muff? thing about Lola is that she's a tart. If there's lots of people or she can hear cars, she's not interested, which is tricky when you've got a town just there. And that's why we always have to come out at sunrise. But then that only really works in summer, you know, when it's earlier. She's tricky. Well, we can go out, she just has to be on the lead, which is no fun for anyone. Who am I kidding? It's all for me, really. Milos, the old girl. In other news, new gloves. Ginger. Not bad, they're right. Hestra, if you're wondering. Very ginger. During the first lockdown, me and Lola came up this way and we caught a woman. We didn't catch her. Calm down. We came up this way and there was a woman bivvying just here, and she shat herself when we came up. It must have been about 5 o'clock. Talking of shitting yourself, the other day I was just in my local woods and there was a guy doing his business. I mean, he'd gone into the wood, but he was still just off the path. You know, there are some things which stay with you in life. You know, war and seeing a man curl one out. I don't know what this video is about. I've got nothing to say. Nothing's going on really. New gloves, done that. New gloves, ginger gloves. I'm guessing that's a nose bit, but yeah. Anything else? Any news? Oh God, this is awful. I don't even know if you've heard any of this. Has this muff worked? Stop saying muff. Here's a bit of something. I've always liked this composition. The path going round, beacon in the background, not its best angle, but it looks good. Not taking a good shot of it. I had it in the snow, light wasn't right. Always something wrong, isn't there? So I forgot my mic, that's why I'm using the muff. Looks like a cave up ahead. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's not a cave. That's I thought I was gonna have something to talk about then. Not a cave. Cavern? When does a cave become a cavern, or a cavern become a cave? Or is it just a gash? Is that a cave? No. Come on, you get up there. I never like that. She doesn't know when to stop, so eventually she just falls. Well, I hope you've got something from this check-in. Keep an eye out for camper vans and car parks, what they might be doing in the woods, the deep dark woods. Yeah, well, that's your lot. Piss off. You think they got it bad in Ukraine? You should try catching a man curling one out. I can't say that. It's far too fresh. Not as fresh as that turd, can I say? Can you be cancelled if you've never made it?